Welcome to Chimahaba Spiritual TV, where spirituality is our watchword. Please consider subscribing, like our videos, share our videos, and comment on the comment section. Hello viewers, you are welcome back to my channel. Thank you for always stopping by. In today's video, I want to share with us how you can use just banana to fight your enemy, to make them powerless, to make them not be able to see you, to become spiritually invisible. Anywhere they mention your name, you will not appear. Anywhere they goes against you, it will not be effective for them. This method is an ancient secret that most of us don't know, and that is why I'm here. All you need to do is to make sure you watch this video to the end. And for those of you who are just joining us for the very first time, you are highly welcome. You are welcome back to Chimahaba Spiritual TV. Thank you for always stopping by. I really appreciate you for being here. On this channel, we share spiritual tips, spiritual recipes, spiritual remedies, spiritual messages that will draw you closer to God, messages that will help you to solve your spiritual problem, messages that will help you to defeat your enemies using the power of God Almighty, the power of the universe, and the power of my father's deities and ancestors in manifesting our spiritual tips on here. So if you are just joining this phase for the very first time, if this is your first time of coming in contact with this phase, you need to become a bona fide member of this channel by subscribing to the red button down below this video. On your right hand side, turn the notification bell to all so that whenever I post a video like this, you will get notification. Like my videos, give them a thumbs up, comment on the comment section, share my videos on YouTube, on Facebook, on TikTok, on Instagram. And as you do this, may God bless you. And for those of you who are my bona fide subscribers, my day one gang, those of you who has brought me this far, you know who you are. I pray that God should continue to bless you. Those of you who has been patronizing me, buying my spiritual materials, those of you who has been supporting me in money and in kind, what about those who has been calling to testify of what God is using my tips to do in people's life? What about those of you who is sowing a seed in my life to make sure that this channel keep growing? May God continue to bless you. It is never yet over, and it can never be over for you. Before the end of this year, my God is going to surprise you with that your needs that you have been believing in, without wasting each and every one of your time. This is an ancient secret that I'm about to reveal to you now. Yes, this method, I call it ancient secret and method that most of us don't know. And I'm here today to share with you what you can do with banana other than eating it. Most of us think that banana is just for eating. Some people don't even know that banana has spiritual uses. Banana has spiritual benefits. There are many benefits, spiritual benefits of banana. So I am going to be naming this one part 1 so that you know how to use it to blind your enemies, to cripple your enemies, to make your enemies powerless. The part 2 of it in the next day, in the next video, is about how to use it to separate your husband and his side chick. Yes, if you have been looking for a recipe that will help you to separate your husband from the side chick, banana recipe can help you to do that. Listen, most women are suffering today as a result of another woman trying to snatch their husband from them. So in my part 2 of this banana recipe, I am going to be sharing how you can use banana to separate your husband from the side chick peacefully, without fighting and without them knowing where the arrow is coming from. But today's recipe, I want to share with you how you can use banana to blind your enemies permanently and to disarm them. Most of us, we are suffering today as a result of people we call our friends. But they are the enemies around us. Some of them, they have done a lot of charms on us that is making life difficult and miserable for us. Many people are sick today as a result of evil people, evil projection, evil arrow. Many people are poor today as a result of spiritual attack, attacking your finances, attacking your business, attacking your destiny, attacking your work, attacking everything that belongs to you that is making, and you are poor. But after watching this recipe, that man, that woman that has sworn that you will never prosper, you will never make it, he is going down to make it. He is going down for your sake. Most of us don't know this secret, but I'm going to expose it the way I know.
I'm going to share it with us, live and direct. If you have an enemy, whether you know them or not, yes, because most of us don't know our enemy. Most people you call your friends are your secret enemies. Most people you call your brothers and sisters are your secret enemy. But if you know them, fine. If you don't know them, fine. This pair, it will still work for you. All you need to do for me is to get your banana. Get it and get ready. But before I go on to tell you how you can use this banana to render your enemies powerless, to destroy their activities in your life, I would like to introduce my product and myself. For those of you who are joining us for the very first time, stay put and make sure you watch this video to the end. My name is Brother Chim and I am a spiritualist. And on this channel, we have our spiritual materials that are locally made and spiritually charged by my own hands. And a lot of people has been buying it. It has been from one testimonies to the other. We have the curse-breaking soap. We have the Love Me and Marry Me soap. We have the All-Purpose Deliverance soap. We have the Call Money soap. We have the Love Magnet soap. We also have the Mercy and Favor soap. We have the Curse-breaking soap. We have the Road Opening soap. We have the Back to Sender soap. Also, we have the Anti-Witchcraft soap. Then we have the Equable Plus Detox, the Moving Object Remover. Are you suffering from moving objects? Is something crawling inside your body? Are you experiencing something walking inside your brain like snake? You have been to the doctors, you have been to the test, and they diagnose it nothing, and you are dying slowly. It's making you to fall sick, but people are looking you as someone who is healthy, but within you, you are dying slowly. You are having the moving object. It's crawling all over your body, sucking your blood, making life miserable for you. I have the antidote to that, your problem. It is called Equable Plus Detox, the Anti-Witchcraft Poison Remover, the Moving Object Destroyer. This product will help you to remove moving object. It will help you to remove evil poison. Poison you have eaten in the dream. Have you had sex in the dream and it has become an affliction of the devil? You have been falling sick. With a twinkle of an eye, if you take this Equable Plus Detox, the Anti-Witchcraft Poison Dissolver, the Anti-Witchcraft Movement Remover, I am telling you, you are going to come here for a testimony. If you need this product, don't hesitate to call my number, +234 7088 136610. +234 7088 136610. That is my number. This Equable Plus Detox, I can beat up my chest and tell you that this product is tested and trusted. A lot of my fans has bought it from US, from Canada, from Australia. What about the German people? A lot of people has testified. Somebody has drink this Equable Plus Detox and he vomited a nail from his mouth. Somebody has drink this Equable Plus Detox and he vomited one echo from his mouth. So this product is tested and trusted. If you need it, don't hesitate to place an order. We ship all part of the whole world. We ship Europe, Asia, America, South America with DHL, EMS, FedEx. We also have the Love and Attraction soap. We have the Favor soap. We have the 99 Demon Manipulation Evil Oil Stopper. And we have the Stop Evil Oil, and so on and so forth. Each and every of these products are tested and trusted. If you need anyone, don't hesitate to call me on the number or chat me on WhatsApp. Thank you and God bless you. Without wasting each and every one of your time, talking about how you can use banana to destroy your enemies. Just banana. Yes. What we need is just one banana in order to massacre your enemy. If you get one banana, call the name of that your enemy that has sworn with his or her life that you will never make it, you will never amount for anything, that you will never finish that house that you started building, that you will never get that contract you are seeking for, that you will never give birth to children, that you will never marry. Anybody who has said that to your face, that person is an enemy. Those who say you will not get a good paying job, those who say you will never live with your husband peacefully, those that has come to your face and say that, if you know their name, please go ahead and mention their name on this banana. But if you don't know their name, hold the banana like this, the way I'm holding it, and say, any man, any woman that has sworn that is responsible for my setback, for my stagnation, for my rejection, for promise and fail, for backwardness, for sickness, lack of marriage, lack of favor, all the things you are lacking in, all the things you are supposed to achieve, or you travel out of the country, and they have sworn that you will never succeed. Even when you have more than 1 million opportunity to make it, you are still stagnant. You are still suffering to make ends meet. You are still suffering to get a good job. You are still suffering to get a good contact. You are running away from police all the time. No peace of mind because you cannot get a good job. When your family calls you from Nigeria, you don't pick it because you don't have anything to offer them. You don't have anything to say. That is the reason why you are afraid of answering your family call. But you went outside the country for greenhouse pasture. I am telling you, you will never come back home empty-handed. And so shall it be. As long as you have left Nigeria to find your greenhouse pasture, my God will provide it for you. So when you call any man, any woman from my father's side, from my mother's side, from where I come from my place of work, any of them that is involved in my predicament, that are envy of me, that are envy of my family, that are envy of my success, and they feel that that is an intimidation to them. Father, oh Lord, let those who are attacking my finance, let those who are attacking my health, let those my enemies who are attacking my position in my place of work, where I do my business. Sometimes where you do your business, people are envious of the way you make sense. They want your business to crumble. They want you to have financial crisis. They want you to go down so that you cannot be able to stock your business in your shop the way you used to shop it. Or you have children that are intelligent, that you have been training with your money for them to be useful. Yes, you train them and they are doing well. Somebody who did not train his or her own children, who his own children has been an entity, without knowing that destinies are not the same, he will start attacking you because your children are doing well. They will not start attacking you. Listen, after this video, that will not be your passion. So you will say, from my group of friends, from my environment, from where I live, anywhere you are you in the east, in the west, in the north, in the south, that you are my enemy, I declare those powers that you invoked upon me, I render them powerless. Those legs you used to go to another place to terminate my life, to terminate my destiny, to make my life miserable, I cripple that leg in the name of Jesus. That evil eyes you used to see me, you used to monitor me in the mirror, you will never see me again. I blind that eyes. That evil hand you use in doing incantation upon my life, use in doing charms towards me, I cripple that hand, I break it into pieces. After that, you hold that. Remember, you are holding the banana like this. After that, keep the banana on the ground and smash it. And as you are matching it, begin to rebuke them. Begin to break their legs. Begin to break their hands. Break their eyes. Keep blinding them spiritually. Match it, match it, match it. Then after that, pack it and go and throw it on the way. Now, that is for people you don't know their name. For people you does not know their name. That is for people you does not know their name, to whom they may be. But people you know their name, if you know any of your enemy their name, write their name on this banana, starting from this line. Write their name one after the other, one after the other, one after the other. Then after that, open inside the banana. Also write their name on a white sheet of paper. When you list their name, open the banana and put their name inside. Then you begin to put it on the floor. You begin to match them. Every utterances, every enchantment, every incantation, every arrow that they have sent to you, they that are your evil people, that have sworn that you will never make it, as you are matching it, you are breaking their legs, you are breaking their bones, you are breaking that mouth that they used to speak evil against you, you are blinding that eyes that they used to monitor you, starting from today, that you call the God of heaven, the universe, to come and back your spiritual recipe up, that this spiritual recipe you are using it to destroy each and every of your unknown enemy and known enemy, and so shall it be. Match it to the core. Then you pack it and go and throw it on the main road and come back here with your testimony. This will help you to destroy your enemy. This will make them powerless. This will make them not to see you anymore. Go and try this and come back with your testimony. I have come to the end of this video at this junction. If you have never subscribed to my channel yet, please do me a favor. Do me a favor, subscribe to the red button down below this video on your right hand side. Give me a thumbs up on them, which signifies the like. Comment on the comment section and don't forget to share. Share this video. Keep sharing, keep sharing. And as you are doing this, God will be working ways for you. He will be opening ways for you. And don't forget, we have our spiritual materials that are locally made and spiritually charged by my own hands. If you need my number is +234 7088 136610. That is my number. See you in my next video. Bye for now.